Hello students, welcome to my class. Kids, in last evolution we have learned the table of 1, 2 and 3. And in today's class we will learn the table of 4 and 5. Okay? So let's start our class. Kids, today we will learn the table of 4 and 5. Before that, once all of you revise the table of 1, 2 and 3 with me. Okay? First, the table of 1. 1 1 ja 1. 1 2 ja 2. 1 3 ja 3. 1 4 ja 4. 1 5 ja 5. 1 6 ja 6. 1 7 ja 7. 1 8 ja 8. 1 9 ja 9. 1 10 ja 10. Now the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2. 2 2 ja 4. 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8. 2 5 ja 10. 2 6 ja 12. 2 7 ja 14. 2 8 ja 16. 2 9 ja 18. And 2 10 ja 20. Now the table of 3. Table of 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 3 ja 9. 3 4 ja 12. 3 5 ja 15. 3 6 ja 18. 3 7 ja 21. 3 8 ja 24. 3 9 ja 27. 3 10 ja 30. Okay. Now all of you take out today's classwork page. All of you write CW on the top of your copy and write date on the left top corner of your copy. Okay. Now I will write the question and you follow me. Write WRITE, write the the table TABLE, table of 4 and 5. Okay. Now all of you leave one line and after that start writing. First we will write the table of 4. 4 multiplication sign 1 equal to sign 4 1 ja 4. Now 4 multiplication sign 2 equal to sign 4 2 ja 8. 4 4 3 ja 12. 4 into 4 4 4 ja 16. 4 to 5 equal to sign 4 5 ja 20. 4 6 4 6 ja 24. 4 into 7 equal to 4 7 ja 28. 4 into 8 equal to 4 8 ja 32. 4 into 9 equal to 4 9 ja 36. 4 into 10 equal to 4 10 ja 40. 4 1 ja 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 3 ja 12. 4 4 ja 16. 4 5 ja 20. 4 6 ja 24. 4 7 ja 28. 4 8 ja 32. 4 9 ja 36. 4 10 ja 40. Okay. Now all of you leave 2 lines. Then start writing the table of 5. 5 into 1 equal to 5 1 ja 5. 5 into 2 equal to 5 2 ja 10. 5 into 3 equal to 5 3 ja 15. 5 4 equal to 5 4 ja 20. 5 into 5 equal to 5 5 ja 25. 5 to 6 equal to 5 6 ja 30. 5 into 7 equal to 5 7 ja 35. 5 into 8 equal to 5 8 ja 40. 5 into 9 equal to 5 9 ja 45. 5 into 10 equal to 5 10 ja 50. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 30, 5 7 ja 35, 5 8 ja 40, 5 9 ja 45, 5 10 ja 50. So kids, all of you practice the table of 1 to 5 at your home. And for today's homework, go to the next page. Write HW as your homework and write date on the left top corner of your copy. Now write the question. Write WRITE. Write the TH, the jumbled, JUMBLED, jumbled table, TABLE, table. Okay, now leave one line. Write 5 into 2. Here you have to write 5 into 2 means 5 2 ja 10. Like this you have to write. Here 4, leave one line, then write the next one. 4 into 3. Here you have to write 5 4 3 ja 12. Okay. Now write 2 into 6. Next one 3 into 7. 4 into 5. 3 into 8. Okay. You have to write 5 2 ja 10. 4 3 ja 12. 2 6 ja 12. 3 7 ja 21. 4 5 ja 20. And 3 8 ja 24. Like this you have to write. Okay. So practice tables. Thank you and bye bye till the next class.